Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have wireless microphone. So let's go ahead and check this out here. We have a 2-pack of wireless microphones. We have the adapter plug that will plug into the device. Thankfully, it came with a adapter as well. What's this called? The 3.5 millimeter. So I can plug it in there to there. It looks like it'll charge through USB-C. Let's see if it has some power. Yes, if I hold it on, it's got power on there. I have a little portable speaker. It says, I guess it goes into the mic spot. Okay, so now I have it plugged into my speaker. Let's go ahead and get one of these out here. And these are, looks like it's rechargeable as well. It's gonna be, they got it covered with a rubber cover here. That. I'm doing the power button instead of the USB port. There we go. So it's got USB-C to charge that as well. Let's see, power, hold it on, and oh, I hear myself talking. Let's see, where's the volume on this thing? Is this it? Is this it? Or do I do it from here? Oh, holy moly, that sounds great. Okay, so this is it here. This is way too loud. Oh, I can adjust the volume on the microphone itself. So this is cool. So if you need a set of microphones that, I mean, this video's a minute long and I've already got it plugged in, connected to my speaker, and it is loud as I want it to be. So really cool. Wow, that was simple and easy to do, and it can do, looks like it, oh, I'll turn it off here. You guys heard me already? Okay, and it looks like I just hold it down to turn it back off. Yes, okay, so it's good. It's got a nice, good feel to it. Seems like a, good microphone. Could be good for interviews and stuff. If you want to plug it into your phone or something like that, you could probably do that from there. And pull down the button here. Oh, hold it down, it turns it off. Yeah, it's good. It's rechargeable, so you could be doing interviews and things like that, and you could actually have 2 microphones going simultaneously, which is what you've got with that. So super cool. So these are nice and definitely look professional and good. Or if you are singing, or if you just want to play karaoke or something, you have that ability as well. So super easy, super fun. I love microphones. These are great. So thumbs up on these for sure. They seem nice and good quality, easy to charge, it looks like. I'm gonna guess they're gonna last a while on the batteries. Doesn't really say how long, but we should get a nice long charge out of it. It's got some weight to it, so it's probably got some good batteries in there. And the sound is spectacular. It's really good. So I'm gonna say these are excellent microphones. If you just wanna have a concert at your house or anything, you're good to go. Thumbs up for sure.